Hello guys, myself Chaitali and you are watching Dear Coders. In this video, you will learn about block level and inline elements in HTML. So let's begin. Depending on what type of element it is, it has the default display value. So display value can be the block or can be the inline element. So we have the two types of elements, block level and inline. So we will see how they are differ in the case. So we will block level element always takes up the full width available. So they are always starting on the new line, and most commonly used block level elements are the paragraph tag and the div element. So we will see how it differs. So we will try to add the paragraph tag. So for now we'll see, we'll write welcome to HTML word. We'll save this file. So now I will add one more paragraph tag to this document and I will save. So I will try to run this code. So as we have seen, like this two paragraph tag has taken the whole width, like first paragraph has taken the whole width and then the new paragraph, like they are starting on the new line. So if to see the effect, I will add the background color. Let's say gray or light gray, and for second also I will add. We'll save this file and we'll see on the home page. So as you have seen, this first p tag has taken the whole width like 100%, and then on the new line this other p tag has started. Now we will see the inline elements. So most commonly used inline elements are like button or span tag. So I will try to add the button. Okay, we'll see the span tag. So I have opened this span tag and I have closed this span tag. So in this again I will write this welcome to HTML word, and I will again add one more span tag. Same style I will apply to see the effect of the block level and the inline elements. I think I have removed one. Yeah. So I will save this. Now if we go to the web page, so as you have seen, this inline level elements are taking the width as per the necessity. So they does not start on new line. So as you have here, these p tags were coming onto the new line, but span are coming on the same line. So whatever text width is there, so that much width only has been taken by the inline elements. So we will see most like some of the block level elements and inline level elements. So these are the some examples of block elements, like when we are listing, like we are adding the list into the HTML document, there is the dd tag, then dl tag and dg tag. Then while adding the forms, there are form tags, then heading tags. So these are some tags. And for inline elements, these are like button, span tag, then subscript, superscript. Now when we are creating in the select option in the form, then we have the select tag. So you can make note down of these tags, what are the block level elements and the inline elements. So this was about the block level and inline elements. So we'll catch up in next video. If you like the video, please consider subscribing. Thank you.